Good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen what are the compound nouns. I hope you are all remembering it. So the compound nouns means it is the combination of two nouns. Okay, two nouns together we make it as one noun and we call it as a compound noun. Okay, children. So the next we shall see degrees of comparison. So today I will tell about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So what are these? So degrees of comparison mean how many are there? There are three. How many degrees of comparisons are there? Three. One is positive. Second one is comparative. And third one is superlative. Okay, children? Positive, comparative and superlative. So these three are called as degrees of comparison. Children, listen carefully. What are the degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison means there are three. One is positive, second one is comparative and third one is superlative. So we shall see what are these positive and comparative and superlative. What is the positive degree? What is the comparative degree? What is the superlative degree? So let us see what are they. So first let us see the first one. So let us see the first one. So positive. Positive means telling positive about one person or one thing. Okay, about the noun. So mainly we talk about what? About the noun. Noun or subject. The main part of the sentence is subject or noun. Okay, children. So Geeta is a good student. So Geeta is the main part of the sentence. That Geeta is the subject or noun. Okay, children. So in positive degree, we talk positively about a girl or about a noun. About what we are talking positively? We talk only about that person or about that thing. Particularly a sentence lo. In that sentence about that subject only we are talking. Okay. We talk positively. We appreciate or we talk positively about that subject which is given in that sentence. Okay. For example, Geeta is a beautiful girl. Or short girl. We will write short girl. Geeta is a short girl. Okay. Geeta is a short girl. So about whom we are talking now? ఈ షార్ట్ గర్ల్ అని చెప్పేసి మనం ఎవరి గురించి చెప్తున్నాం? వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ గీత. ఓకే, వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ గీత. వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ హర్. వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ హర్ దట్ షీ ఈజ్ షార్ట్. Okay, children. So this short is the positive degree. This short is the positive degree. We are talking about Geeta. Okay. This is the positive degree. We call it as a positive degree. Okay. This short is the positive degree. Okay, children. So this short is called positive degree. We are talking about this Geeta. Geeta is a short girl. So next one is a comparative. The second one is comparative. So I hope all of you understood what is about positive degree. Positive degree is only, we are talking only about this subject and she is a short girl. So this short is the positive degree. So let us see the comparative degree now. So what is the comparative? So all of you know comparative means comparing with others. Okay, comparative means comparing with the other one. So second one, comparative. So automatically you have to understand comparative means, comparative అంటే వేరే వాటితో పోల్చడం. ఇక్కడ కంపారిటివ్, కంపారిజన్ అంటే ఏంటి? పోల్చడం. ఓకే, వేరే వాటితో పోల్చడాన్ని comparative అంటారు. So comparative, meaning of comparative is Polchadam. So we are comparing with others. So now we are talking only about Geeta. Okay? We are talking only about Geeta. She is a short girl. So this short is the positive degree. This short is the positive degree. And next let us see what is the comparative. Comparative means all of you must remember I said కంపేరింగ్ విత్ అదర్స్ అంటే పోల్చడం, వేరే వాటితో లేకపోతే వేరే వాళ్ళతో పోల్చడాన్ని కంపారిటివ్ అంటారు. సో లెట్ us see what is it. గీత ఈజ్ షార్టర్. గీత ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దాన్ రీటా. గీత ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దాన్ రీటా. ఓకే, దిస్ షార్టర్. ఇక్కడ మనం గీతని ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? రీటాతో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం. వీఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ రీటా. ఓకే, ఇన్ పాజిటివ్ డిగ్రీ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ గీత. ఇన్ కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ వీఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ రీటా. దట్ గీత ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దాన్ రీటా. అంటే రీటా కంటే గీత షార్ట్గా ఉంది అని మనం ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? రీటాతో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో this shorter is called comparative degree. Okay children, this shorter is called comparative degree. So all of you understood? Geeta is a short girl. This short is positive. Why we are calling it as positive? We are talking only about Geeta. That is why this short is the positive degree. And next, comparative degree. Second one is comparative degree. ఇన్ కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ వీఆర్ కంపేరింగ్ అంటే రీటాతో వేరే వాళ్ళతో పోల్చి చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇది కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ. సో గీతాని ఎవరితో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? రీటాతో కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట. సో గీత ఈజ్ షార్టర్ దాన్ రీటా. సో దిస్ షార్టర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కంపారిటివ్ డిగ్రీ. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, యు అండర్స్టాండ్? షార్ట్ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్ డిగ్రీ, షార్టర్ ఈజ్ comparative degree. Why you call it as comparative? You are comparing with Rita. So this is a comparative degree. Okay, I hope you all of you understood. Let us see the third one now. Third one is, what is the third one? Superlative. Third one is superlative. Here the superlative degree. Superlative అంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే అన్నిటికంటే హైయెస్ట్ అనమాట. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌవ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో దానికి తర్వాత ఇంకెవరు లేరని. సో వీఆర్ కంపేరింగ్, ఇంకా అన్నిటితో పోల్చి దిస్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్. సూపర్లేటివ్ అంటే హయ్యర్ దాన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే, లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ చిల్డ్రన్. సూపర్లేటివ్ మీన్స్ హయ్యర్ దాన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అక్కడ ఉన్న అన్నిటితో కూడా పోల్చుకుంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద highest one. అంటే అన్నిటికంటే this is the best one and highest one. So superlative degree means above everything. Not only here we are comparing only with Rita, but in superlative we compare with everything in the class. Okay, so now Geeta is the shortest. Geeta is the shortest girl in the class. So this is shortest. So all of you listen carefully. This shortest is the superlative degree. Shortest is the superlative degree. Why you call it as superlative degree? Because we are comparing with everyone in the class. We are comparing with everyone in the class. So she is the shortest one in the class. So class lo unna andarikante she is the shortest one. So we are, it is higher, that means above everyone. All those who are in the class, we are comparing with everyone in the class. So now it is called, this is called superlative. Okay, short is the positive, shorter is the comparative, and shortest is the superlative. Okay, did you understand? So why do you call it as short as a positive? Because here you are talking only about Geeta. Okay, that's why this is the positive degree. And next one, shorter. Why do you call it as comparative degree? You are comparing with Rita, another girl. You are comparing with another girl. That is why this is the comparative degree. And shortest means with everyone. You are comparing with everyone in the class. So looking everyone in the class, she is the shortest one. So it is again no more shortest one. So she is the shortest one. Andarkante short and one. So this is called superlative degree. Okay, so we are comparing with we are comparing Geeta with everyone in the class. So this shortest is the comparative degree. Sorry, superlative degree. So short, shorter, and shortest. Short, shorter, shortest. Short is the positive, shorter is the comparative, and shortest is the superlative. Okay, children. I hope all of you understood. So let us see any other sentence. For example, tall. So now we learned about the short. Next, let us write about the tall. So Ram is the tall. Ram is a tall boy. Okay, Ram is a tall boy. And next comparative. Ram is taller than Ravi. Ram is taller than Ravi. So tall, taller, tallest. So Ram is the tallest boy in the class. The tallest. So tall, taller, and tallest. Okay. I hope all of you understood what are the degrees of comparison. Positive degree, talking only about that subject. Comparative degree, you are comparing with another one. And superlative, with everyone there in the class. For example, another example I will tell you. Elephant. So elephant is the big animal. Elephant is a big animal. So we are talking only about elephant. Big. So big is the positive. And next one, you compare the elephant with another one. Okay. Elephant is bigger than lion. Or you can write elephant is bigger than lion. Okay. So you are comparing elephant with lion. So who is bigger now? Elephant is a bigger. So elephant is a bigger animal, or elephant is bigger than lion. And next one, elephant is the biggest animal in the world. You can write biggest animal of all the animals. Okay. Now elephant is a big animal. Elephant is bigger than lion, and elephant is biggest of all animals. Okay, children. So I hope all of you understood it very well. So you have understood short, shorter, and shortest, positive, comparative, and superlative, big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, next tall, taller, and tallest. So these are the degrees of comparison. So let us write what is given here. So the first one is small, small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Next, rich, richer, richest. Next one, safe, safer, safest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Okay, children? So, these are the degrees of comparison. We call it as degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These three are the degrees of comparison.